Traders, in this video, you guys are going to see how I played the market to the downside, my pre-market analysis, how I read the jobless reports. Now, the jobless report wasn't all that bad, but it really wasn't that good either. Looking at the market profile from last session and also the market profile from the 17th, and the reason why we played to the downside. Execution wasn't the best, but we all know playing very tops and very bottom of things is very hard to catch. Check out how we did it. Traders, good morning. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. We are 3 minutes and 25 seconds into cash open. Hopefully everyone is seeing my screen. IWM. Let me go ahead and remove some things out of the way so I can see. So let's start with economic news. We have jobless that came out at 8:30. We are technically above the zero line, right? So above the zero line means that we are technically in a stronger economy. But I don't know if you guys can see it, hopefully you can see that the previous, which is white, and the current, which is goldish color, is trending down. The actual numbers has come in higher than expected as far as the initial claims level. Previous was 217. They're looking to think that maybe 218, but we actually gone higher to 223. And also we added 6,000 more claims than last session. All right. So I am looking at that as a negative thing because we actually add more to the deficits, I'm sorry, more jobless claims than the previous week. So we are above zero, which is great, but we are both trending previous and current down. All right. So looking at the actual profile. So this is the profile of yesterday. As you can see from, let's say from the 17th to the 21st and yesterday the 26th, value from the 17th and the 21st has gone higher. But yesterday there was a shift, right? So the value actually has dropped a little bit with prices dropping further. So that is potentially telling me that we have shifted down as far as value on IWM, telling me that other participants wasn't willing to pay for IWM at the 228 price tag, the 229 price tag, and futures market actually dropped it all the way down to the 226 price tag. Um, Looked like possibly 227. So that is in the profile of the 27th, where you can see what happened then. And on top of that, we are playing with last week's extreme high and value high, right, which is here, the far left. So I personally think there is money coming to drop the market down because of we traded yesterday and on Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we traded higher, but it's telling me there's a shift, right? So we are seeing on the weekly chart with 39 seconds to go, we're seeing that value go up, but we're seeing prices starting to fall. So we may see a pop in at the beginning, but I am looking to fade. I got 228 puts, 227 puts, and 226 with 227 ready to go. Um, and we're gonna let order flow tell us which way to go. We have 10 seconds left. All right, opening now. You can see that's a heavy drop. Ooh, we're gone. That's it. I am in 75 cent per contract. Try to see. Type in as I go. 227 puts is what I was looking for. I like that. I might get in at a better price. So 227s as we are going higher. I still like it. Did it enter me? I didn't hear no dings. I don't know if it actually entered me. Okay, it did enter me in it. Okay, all right. So let me check my orders. Did I get into it yet? Okay, so 66 cent per contract. Okay, that's cool. Let me update my Discord. So I'm looking for 76. Let me make this a little bigger. There we go. So no value there. Volume, I'm sorry, no volume there. So it's still looking good. Let me do this just in case I want to get in at a better price. I still like this volume. The initial buy was definitely there because I'm seeing prices go higher and higher, but no volume. I wonder if we're gonna touch value first, which is probably the case. If that is the case, then I may jump in at the 28s or low 27s. Definitely not the best entry, but still good. I like how there's no volume there. That's telling me a lot. I'm gonna set my orders just in case I can get into it at a better price. Oop, looks like I already did that. Ooh, okay. I already did that. Okay. So we're seeing value or price going higher, but there is nothing there, no interest. And we could be seeing it go to um value of yesterday, and we're still going higher and higher, but no volume. And we're like seeing nothing here. So I may be able to get in at a better price. I'm just looking to see what that is. Mm. So let's look at that. Nothing there. I just saw that. Nothing there at all. Mm. See what happens because I'm seeing nothing here at these higher prices. Yeah, so there's nothing happening. Nothing in our favor anyway. Seeing something here. Do-do-do-do-do. I'm just waiting to see. They're starting to see some movement. They're trying, right? They're trying. Yeah, just being patient, just being patient. Nothing, seeing a lot of activity here. As prices were going higher, there was nothing there. Just waiting for them to come on in. And we got close to value, or at least the profile inside of the profile of yesterday, but nothing is really happening here at the moment. Value, so a lot of sellers, 182,000 sellers, 752 in volume. Like they're trying to come in. There's a lot of activity here. We're getting close. So I did do a second order, guys, at 48 cent. I'm sorry I didn't announce that. 48 cents. So that helped me with my risk reward. So 58 cent would basically be half. So I'm looking to get that off the table right now. Getting close to that 58 cent. Okay, so 58 cent. I just got that. Let me see if I can protect that profit. Okay, so I just protected that profit. So 68 would be, so we have 58 right now. Let me, I mean, like this second opportunity. So I did increase my risk reward a little bit. Do. Okay. I like potentially this. Check that real quick. Check that just in case. All right, so we're looking good. Where is this? Okay, so we are looking really good. I took another opportunity at 48. I got 58. I'm trying to get to 68, but I protected the half of it, the 75%. I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take it all here. I still got 25 running. I'm gonna take it all here. I'm just gonna cash out. So I got 25 still running. I'm still technically in it, but I'm about to get stopped out of it. Yep, that's it. That's the stop out. All right, where's the monitor look like? Make sure I'm out of everything. All right, so technically the first play didn't work out, but the second one did, and I actually took a third one because my entry wasn't the best, and I could be too soon because there's still a struggle there. Yeah, there's still something here. I wonder. This is a lot of volume too. Less, a lot of buyers, but the volume is not there. Curious here before I log off. I'm curious to see here because I gotta run in a little bit. Curious to see if there could be some absorption happening here. Let's see, so I'm trying to type and talk at the same time. It's not not the easiest thing to do. So let's see. Uh, okay, so I'm wondering what's happening here. So this is my Discord you guys are seeing that I'm updating. And I'm glad I put this over here. I'm glad you guys are seeing my Discord and how I update my members. I got a few members. We're going live on the 25th, so a few days. So you get to see my pre-analysis, what I put on there, and how I'm getting in, VIX, what is in my watch list. So you guys will be able to see a little sneak peek of that. All right, so I am typing that it's tough to type and talk. Two plays, three plays, one two winners, one loser. There they go. Now they coming in. Yeah, looks like the sellers are finally starting to come in. And I'm gonna post a link to my personal line. I'm sorry, I'm trying to type and talk. I'm gonna post a link to my Discord on this video as well. Let's see. So they're trying to come in. They're trying. They're trying. They're trying. They're pushing. They just made a new low. They didn't make a new high, right? So the high, the first candle was what, 227.63, and then they did the same thing on the next candle, 227.63. So they made a new lower, not a new low of the day, but a new low from the last with three candles. Figure out how to talk on this thing too, so y'all won't hear me click clack my keyboard. So I'm wondering, are the buyers starting to get absorbed? And maybe I just jumped in way too soon. So that's why I had to caught a body on the first one, and the other two were good. Um, I'm getting texts. Yeah, it's tough to do three things at once. People hitting me up three different ways. So I apologize for the click clacking on my keyboard, guys. But I'm trying to answer questions, and I'm out of anything, so nothing's playing for me right now. But I just want to see if we continue down. Are we starting to get absorbed? Now we're flipping. So open 226.93. Yep, looks like we're teetering on flipping from a green day to a red day. 226.93. We're coming into yesterday's profile. We're coming from the top of that. I'm sorry, not yesterday's, the 17th profile value high or extreme high of the 17th. The 17th extreme high was what? Yeah, right there. So we're coming back into that profile. We started from there, had a bit of a punch higher, and now we're coming back into it. So if we were to obviously stay below the open, then we may be good. And then I do have to run in the next few minutes. So let's see what happens. Yep. So we are now, well, we were hot second. We're now, okay. So we're officially red, going from red to green, red to green. All right, second. Here's what time is it? 9:55 candle. Okay, so we are officially red. Okay. Officially a red day. So my execution wasn't the best. It's hard to catch very tops and very bottom of things, guys. It is way too difficult to be able to do that. But as long as you know you can read the charts correct. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do three things at once. But read the receipts, market profile, order flow. Let me type this real quick. It's here. Oh, I'll do that afterwards. All right, guys. So we are seeing it now. The sellers are really coming in heavy. All right, guys. I gotta get out of here, but again, I will be posting a link to the Discord if you're interested. So just to recap, we played the sell today because value went high, but prices went down. Actually, value and prices dropped from yesterday's session. The report, the jobless wasn't honestly the best. It wasn't the worst, but it wasn't the best. So that we played the profile of the 17th, where we saw we were getting to the prices were trading the weekly extreme high and the weekly value high. You knew there was going to be a pop as prices were going up. There was less and less value, so less and less interest. The last 5 minutes is when we started to really see some change, and then buyers were getting absorbed, and then we finally dropped. Okay. Not the best execution for me. Actually, technically three plays. First play, I didn't lose the play. I didn't get stopped out. But I ended up just flattening it after about a 5 cent loss. I gotta go back to my thing. About a 5 cent loss. But my other two plays, I got 10 cent, and then the third one was a 20 cent. So good day, not the best execution wise, but again, you're never going to catch very tops and bottoms. It's hard to. But being able to read the receipt in real time, I did like that prices were going higher and felt comfortable still with the sell, knowing that volume was low. All right, guys, well, that is the end of the day. As always, I hope you find value in my videos. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment. I will reply to all questions. And anything that you have is welcomed. All right, guys, until next time. Peace.